And you know why I love these online businesses? They are businesses that you can actually start from the comfort of your home. You can also start them as a side hustle. What's up, guys? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing it's legit online business that can actually help you to earn daily money. If you're looking for promising online business that has the full potential of putting daily money inside your pockets, guys, you are in the right video. Now let's dive into this video without wasting any of the time. I'm going to be sharing the 8 businesses so that you can actually pick only one. Pick one, don't go beyond one. Then after you have mastered one, you can actually go and learn the other one. You need to learn them. If you don't learn them, don't come and blame me and say, this is not working. It will definitely work. The first online business that I am going to be introducing to you that is going to be making you daily money if you are interested is what? You need to start your own YouTube channel. Starting your YouTube channel is one of the businesses, online business that can actually help you to make money daily. It has this full potential. A lot of people are gaining from this, and I want you also to be part of this. The only thing that you actually need to do is to get your 1,000 subscribers, get your 4,000 watch hour, start creating entertaining videos, educational videos. You like cooking, anything that you are passionate about. If you know how to, teach people how to do some certain things, do entertaining videos, whether you want to go into comedy, whether you want to go into any type of thing, YouTube is actually going to be paying you daily, and you'll be seeing your daily earning on the dashboard, guys. What are you waiting for? And the number two, I will never stop talking about this, is to start your e-commerce business. E-commerce business is one of my favorite because it is actually working for me. There's no day I don't pick money on e-commerce platforms. People send me messages, and this is the buying and selling of products and services online. Use what you have and get what you want. If you cannot have your own website, you can actually sell on other platforms. There are legit platforms, e-commerce platforms that can actually help you to market your products. I have that particular video in my video, catalog. So you can check it out to find out the website that can actually help you to sell. I normally use Facebook Marketplace, and this has been working for me for the past 2 years. There's no day I don't make money using Facebook Marketplace. It has been very, very efficient and very, very good and profitable for me. And the next business that I can actually introduce to you right now to start if you want to be earning daily money is what? To start a podcast business. Podcast is an audio show or even video show. We have podcast videos on YouTube here, and we also have podcasts. You can open it, host it on Apple. Yes, you can also host it on Spotify. If you know that you can actually treat some certain topics in a way that you'll be able to gather traffic, make sure that you gather traffic and audience, you understand, to your podcast. And in that same way, you monetize it. You can be earning from their subscription, you can be earning from their membership, premium content, and even donations. These are actually making good money for people. What are you waiting for, guys? Just pick only one. And the next business that can be paying you daily, guaranteed to be paying you daily, is freelancing jobs. Freelancing is one of the ways that you can actually earn online. I keep saying this. So if you're looking for money every day, something that will put in money on your, pocket every day, you need to register. If you have digital skills, some skills like editing skills, you know how to take photography, you know how to write. A lot of people are looking for people that can actually write content for them. People script their content. You understand? They look for people that can write movies for them, that write comedy for them. If you know you are good into copywriting as well, translations, language translations, transcripts, all of that, coaching, just put up your profile. Go to Fiverr right now, go to Upwork, go to Google Jobs and other platforms. Don't just look for them and put up your profile there. You will be getting jobs, you'll be getting gigs. Graphic design, they are all there. Writers on that particular platform. What else are we talking about, guys? And the next online business that is actually going to be helping you to make daily money is blogging. Blogging is a legit business that can actually help you to earn daily money. Once you are able to draw traffic, blogging needs traffic. for people to be able to visit your website every time, daily. And you need to be giving out contents that people will love to click on. As long as people are clicking, when you monetize them with different ads platforms that can be able to pay you money, there are different kinds of ads that you can actually put on your site. And after that one, you can actually sell you the space for advertisements. You can also do sponsored ads for people. They pay you for that. You can also do affiliate links, affiliate marketing inside that same blog. Anything that you call business is actually going to work for you as a business. That's one thing I love about doing this online business, and it's actually working. And the next business that you can actually do online that can actually pay you daily money is to sell online courses. Selling online courses today is making money. There's no how that you put out your online course and you use Facebook ads, you use Instagram ads, and other ads, even TikTok, that you will not sell your online course. Are you playing, guys? Don't play. This is actually going to help you to make money. The only thing you need to do is to use stellar marketing. Market your items, market the course. As long as that course is working for people, and make space for reviews where people will be reviewing your products and be writing that this is actually working. I made 50,000 naira after using or trying your courses. Money will be rolling out, guys. If you know that you can create course, it will definitely make you money. And the next online business that can actually guaranteed to make you daily money is what? Crypto trading. Crypto trading, fine, is risky, but if you know how to do it, if you know how to trade, definitely you'll be cashing out hourly. They know how they do it. So these are businesses. You can use Binance, and there are other platforms, legit platforms that you can actually use, you understand, to make money. And the next one is to sell stock photographs. If you are into photography, capturing, taking beautiful pictures, you also have a place like Shutterstock, Adobe, and different platforms to sell your photography. And photography that you've updated for a long time can still be making you money. That is why I like this online business. Just like YouTube, all the videos I even posted a few years ago, if they are still there, they will still be making you money, guys. What are you waiting for? These businesses can actually make you rich, but is with time. Give yourself like 1 to 3 months of grinding with this business. And if you want to get rich quick, these businesses cannot make you get rich quick. Warning, these businesses cannot make you get rich quick, but they can make you to be rich at least from 1 to 3 months or 6 months. You'll be grinding and you'll be smiling. If you enjoy watching my videos, please try and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and see you next time, guys. Thank you and bye-bye.